Oh, she's up.
Oh, good girl. Oh, good puppy. Oh, okay. Ooh, good girl. Yes. You're so cute. Yes. You're a good girl. Ooh, sit. Sit.
Okay. Not you.
Let's both sit. Okay, we'll both sit. Oh, you win.
Do you think a bad guy would say good doggy?
Wow.
And say, you cocksucker.
All right.
So we did that. That just happened.
I'm not that scared.
Put him in the car. Let's see what scary it is.
Sit shotgun.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright. Ready, puppy? Oh, Jesus. Got a lot of wrist on that one. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. I got a hickey. Alright. Oh, yeah. Woo. Alright. Oh, no. Now we're fisting.
Why is it so funny when there's pain involved?
Because it's always funnier when someone gets hurt.
It is. It's so much fun.
What was that t-shirt? Someone said, it's only funny till